It's a teenager.
I don't like organic.
What the f? Yo, 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 yo!
Oh!
No, follow her right now. Go.
Hey, pull the f over!
No,
pull
don't yell,
over!
don't yell, don't yell.
Oh my god. I had a bad feeling. Sorry. That was almost really bad.
No part of my father was sweet and happy. I'm sure Miles' mom, Vivian, didn't make out much better when she was with him. Miles and I don't really do anything together. In fact, now that I think about it, he doesn't really even have a use for me. And I wonder what that will mean. I don't think he'll fire me from his company, but that would only be because of Mal. He wouldn't do anything that might upset her.
Get back here! Hey, run! Yeah, I have it on camera.
I'm going to the restroom. I'm sick.
Yeah, but you driving crazy.
I know, boss. I know, boss.
Slow down. You're driving no insurance right now.
These guys are tough. In order to beat them, I'll have to become
Sonic Unleashed.
You must be kidding. Yeah, I'm not gonna let you pass. Yeah, this is what people do all the time. What's your problem? Stop cutting people off. Yeah, I should call the police. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, police academy. Yeah. You're on the dash cam.
I'll phone the manager. And I said, Richard, can you come down? What's in the college? Yeah, okay, then if I come down,
Just a sec, guys just fall off his bike in front of me.
Go and see him till I'm on the back, okay?